Story 17. A bareheaded and barefooted pedestrian who had arrived from Kufa with the Hijaz caravan of pilgrims joined us, strutted about and recited, "I am neither riding a camel nor under a load like a camel. I am neither a lord of subjects nor the slave of a potentate. Grief for the present or distress for the past does not trouble me. I draw my breath in comfort and thus spend my life." A camel rider shouted to him, "O dervish, where art thou going? Return, or thou wilt expire from hardships." He paid no attention, but entered the desert and marched. When we reached the station at the palm grove of Mahmud, the rich man was on the point of death, and the dervish, approaching his pillow, said, "Ye have not expired from hardship, but thou hast died on a dromedary." A man wept all night near the head of a patient. When the day dawned, he died, and the patient revived. Many a fleet charger had fallen dead, while a lame donkey reached the station alive. Often healthy persons were in the soil, buried, and the wounded did not die. Now, one of the points is to, riding on a camel is seen as an ease, obviously compared to walking, right? But it's better to die in a state of getting something done. And it doesn't always keep you alive to find yourself ease. In fact, there's indication that too much ease seeking is to the contrary.